Hello guys, welcome back to the DerivNavigator Academy. In today's video, I'll be telling you the 5 bot mistakes to avoid or 5 things to avoid when using a trading bot in Deriv to maximize your profits. Okay? Now, most of us, whenever we are using bots, we usually, especially if it's your first time, you're usually very excited because you see now, I usually think now this is the time for me to become profitable. And I remember the first time I got my dollar printer bot, it was the best night of my life because I was like, this is it. This is it. Okay? But now this is what you should do to actually avoid losses, okay? First things first, never run a bot without a strategy. No matter what bot you've been given, no matter how good it is, no matter how superior, no matter how accurate, no matter how high performing, never press run in the Deriv bot without, I repeat, without a strategy. If you have not analyzed the market, never use a bot, okay? Anytime before you go to the Deriv bot and run, ensure you've analyzed the market in the Deriv trader. Ensure you've analyzed it and maybe confirmed how if whatever you have seen is true in the third party analysis tool. But no matter what, never press run on a bot without analyzing a strategy. All right? Ensure you have a strategy before you use a bot. Okay? That will help you out because if you combine a good strategy and a good bot, profits will be increasingly repetitive. Okay, and that is something that most of us as traders we want. The second thing, risk management. This one I've spoken about a lot of times and most of you know about it, whereby I told you guys use 2% of your account as stake and aim for a 20% profit. And if you attain a 20% stop loss, you get out. Okay, that will really help you out whenever you're using bots. Now, because most of these bots are extremely fast. If you do not use a stop loss, the bot can clear your account, especially with this martingale. Because let's say you have a $10 account, okay? The first run, you use $2, you lose it. The bot does times 2. The second run, it uses 4. So far, $6 have gone. And then for that run, the bot will tell you insufficient funds to recover losses. So ensure you use martingale. Martingale will really help you out to avoid losses. Okay, because losses occur a lot, especially when you're using a bot and not knowing what you're doing. Okay, so please ensure you use proper risk management. So that is the second thing. Okay, the third thing, and this one is the one that I wanted to speak about mostly. Most of you, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in and show you the mistake most of you are doing. I don't know, like some traders have lied to you that you should use both in the contract type so that you might end up trading both markets. Don't do that. Most bots, whenever you select both, it will end up choosing which market to trade. So if right now I trade volatility 75, all right, and I choose both, the bot can do over or under, depending on how it will feel. Okay, so please never use both. Ensure you analyze the market and you select either over or under, but never select both. All right, once you start selecting both, now that will be gambling because you'll be hoping that the bot will choose the market that you want, not that based on how the market is, based on how you want, and that is gambling. Okay, these are the habits that actually make people think trading is gambling. And I told you guys, trading is gambling. Trading is gambling if you do it in a gambling way. Okay, I told you the line between trading and gambling is very thin. All right, so if you do not adhere to the trading principles, you will end up gambling while thinking you're trading. So anyone who has ever said trading is gambling, it is true because they did it in such a manner. Okay, so please never use both whenever it comes to bots. Never use both. Only use over or under, but never use both. Okay, I hope that is clear for everyone. Never use both. Now, another thing I've seen, guys, is something called switcher bots. Switcher bots are bots that can trade over and then under, and then they trade over and then they trade under, or they trade even for this run. The other run, it is odd. The other run is even. The other run is odd. And the developers have told you that you do not need to analyze. You just come, set up your bot, and then sit down. You do not need to analyze. The bot will trade all markets at the same time. I even saw a bot that trades over 1. It goes to over 2. It goes to even. And then it goes to over under. Basically it goes to random markets all the time. It was called a quote. I've spoken about this. Now let me tell you guys. That is the highest form of gambling you can do in Deriv. People are now converting Deriv to become gambling like Aviator or something. You cannot do such a thing. Please do not do such a thing. Analyze the market, identify the perfect market, identify the trade type that you will trade, analyze the market and see which contract type you will trade, set it, and then run your bot. This thing of trading everything at once, don't do it. You are gambling. And then when somebody loses their money by using such a method, they start saying Deriv is a scam. All right? That is very unfair. Okay? So please analyze the market. Stop being lazy. Laziness is what is making people lose money, because people want to make money, but they don't want to learn or sweat or put in the struggle into understanding how it works. Okay? Yeah, so if you're using switchables, I don't know, over 1 and then over 2, and then I don't know, even odd, over, under. Don't do that. Identify one market and trade it. Do not trade all markets at the same time. You will blow your account so badly. I hope that is I hope that is clear for everyone. Okay? Yeah, so far we have said, first of all, ensure you have a strategy. Use proper risk management. Never use both in bots. Never. Never let anyone convince you should use both. Never use both in bots. Okay? And also be very careful about switcher bots. Switcher bots, that is the fourth thing. Avoid switcher bots. All right? No matter the bot you're using, identify one market and trade it. Stop trading all markets at the same time. Because most times whenever you have a good strategy, you'll find that whenever you have selected, let's say, even, you'll have like 5 wins in a row. Now, if the bot was going even odd, you would have lost a couple of trades just because you want to guess, okay? So please only select one market, okay? And the other thing is, avoid doing too many runs, okay? Don't do too many runs. Doing too many runs, I told you guys, will lead your bot to become defective. If you start doing more than 100, more than 50, more than 60, it will become very dangerous for your bot, okay? Only do 20 runs, or even, I actually even see some people doing 5 runs and then they reset, but never cross the 20 run threshold, okay? 20 runs is the maximum runs you should run with your bot at a time. Once you reach 20, reset, run again. Reset, run again. But never do more than 20 runs whenever you're using your bot. It will put you in a very compromising position. Because most bots, whenever they do too many runs, they'll end up having so many losses. And this has been proven actually by me and many times. For those who watched my video now, I don't remember the particular video. I think so it was the one for how to make 15,000, where basically I did from the first run to the 20th run, I only had 2 losses, and then I decided to go to the 30th. By the moment I reached the 30th run, I had 10 losses. I received my 8 losses between the 20th to the 30th. So please only do 20 runs at a time. Okay? And the last bonus tip is, never let the bot run unsupervised. No matter how good your bot is, never leave it unsupervised. This bot sometimes usually misbehave. Ensure you are there throughout the entire process. All right? You can just be sitting analyzing the market as the bot is running, but never run your bot and leave and go and do other activity. Be there with the bot as it is running. All right? Never leave your bot to run alone. Be there throughout the entire process your bot is running. Okay? Yeah, and when you do that, guys, you will minimize the losses you face with your bot, and it will put you in a very good position whenever you're using your bots. Okay? So please, guys, apply all these principles whenever it comes to bots so that you're able to use them effectively. And this applies to everyone worldwide. Please observe this, okay? And if you need amazing bots, more than 100 bots, more than 100 documents, ensure you WhatsApp me right now. I will give you the materials. Apart from that, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please ensure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. It will be highly appreciated. Apart from that, guys, once again, thank you for being here. And please ensure you share to anyone who trades in Deriv so that they are aware of this, because these are the things that are affecting most Deriv traders. All right? Once again, thank you for watching, guys, and good luck.